Yes, people, it's your boy Sheggz, that's SHEGGZZ, and yeah, I'm back with another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute, a lot of you guys wondering where I've been. I'm not going to bore you with that information because, quite frankly, you're not here for that. So last week was a big one in the sneaker community. We had both YEEZY Day and Nike's Sneaker Day. Well, as you can tell by the title, we are going to get into what I picked up on both days. You know, Sneakers Day is basically a celebration of the Nike Sneakers app, which I feel like this was its 4th or 3rd anniversary. I'm not too sure, but let's get into it. Let's get straight into it. Oh, sorry for that awkward silence. It's just that I didn't pick anything up from sneakers. I didn't pick up nothing from sneakers because sneakers is trash. They had us on the app for what, 6, 7, 8 hours looking, scrolling, trying to engage with the videos, interact. Me, I even have an Android, so I couldn't even watch all of that kind of stuff, and I wouldn't have even wasted my time anyway. I appreciate all the efforts from the presenters and all of that kind of stuff that went on the show and did all that made all those lives possible, but at the same time, I don't want to be watching these things on a day that we are meant to be celebrating the app receiving some shoes and stuff like that. I found it very, very strange, and I'm sure you did. I feel like the only thing that was actually available to people, and correct me if I'm wrong, I've been on Facebook and everywhere, Twitter, everywhere, Instagram, and the only thing that was kind of available as, let's say, as an exclusive to the Sneakers Day was the Lightning Falls, which again I wasn't even able to cop. No one I know was able to cop, and we had to wait about 6-7 hours for that. Nike, do better. It was a waste of time, in all honesty. It was a big waste of time. I didn't cop anything, and I feel like last year was trash as well, but for some reason we just had some hope that it was gonna bang this year, and no, it didn't. I feel like the last Sneakers Day that something even happened was 2019, where people were just running all around the streets of London. Luckily I was able to cop the SNKRS, and not for resales, but since then it's been trash. Again, I'm not gonna waste my time interacting with an app that I'm meant to use just to purchase shoes, in all honesty. But scrap Sneakers Day, we don't care about that. Let's get into YEEZY Day. YEEZY Day was very, very promising, and a lot of people have told me that they've taken L's, but for me personally, I managed to pick up a few things. I picked up a few things. I feel like if you actually interacted and went for all the drops on the day, you would have picked up at least one thing. So I'm going to show you. I got a total of 6 pairs of shoes from my one account with Adidas. Well, Adidas confirmed and online. So let's get into it and see what they say. Firstly, we have a 700 box. Now this is a very, very fresh and clean box, and this is the 700 V3 Dark Glow. Now we've seen a couple black 700 V3s. I am a fan of the 700 V3 model, unlike a lot of people. This is pretty much just like the Alvava or whatever they call that one. Hopefully you guys can make the shoe out. It's pretty clean. I like the 700 V3 because it's just very, very futuristic, and you can see he's got the boost and everything like that. Comfortable as well. Comfortable, I must say. Now this shoe is different from the other 700 V3s that have come out in black. I feel like there was one that had like the brown kind of hits to it, and there was also one that glowed, but not with the same color glow as this one. So this glow is like a more darker kind of green, or closer to even blue, some would say, whereas the other glow was just a green glow. But this is a 700 V3 Dark Glow. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you're saying with this one. Next up was actually a big one. I was able to get a pair of the YEEZY 350 Boost what's this one even called? Triple Black or Black Static, whatever they call it. In the reflective colorway, very, very bright. I'm not sure if you guys can make out the reflection properly on camera here, but this was a good one. This is something that is very profitable. I mean, it was before the drop, before YEEZY Day, whatever it was going for. I'll say about like 500 upwards, depending on what size you got. But yeah, that price has kind of dropped now because people are just undercutting each other. Guys, why do we do this, man? Not everything even needs to be sold on StockX, but that's a story for another day. Also got another 700, and this is again is black. I've got a theme here. All the shoes that I've got pretty much are black, and this is the 700 MNVN. I'm a big fan of these 700s as well because I feel like they just hug your feet, and just they're very snug and just very, you could just use them for multiple purposes. Again, this has the boost, pretty much just the standard 700 sole and everything, but the upper is different. as you can see. Again, all of these shoes are shoes that have come out before, so I'm not going to go into detail. This is just pretty much me just showing you what I picked up. I'm a big fan of these. This might be a keep. This might be a keep. What's this one? I feel like this is a... Okay, so yeah, we got another one of those 700 MNVN. Got another one of these ones, also in my size. So who knows what I'm doing with that. Okay, finally we've got a different shoe. I actually got a 350 box, and I don't know, this box was very weird. Tell me if you guys had a similar thing. Let me turn the brightness down on this camera. So yeah, as you can see, the tag is very different from the standard kind of tag that you get with a Yeezy. You normally get like the small one. This one was, I don't know, like double tagged. It's weird. But yeah, inside this box we do have the 350 Boost, all white. 350 Yeezy Boost, all white. This is the cream colorway, even though it is all white, an all white shoe. And yeah, I actually got 2 pairs of this. Well, I'll come up closer because I know the lighting is a bit, and yeah, hopefully you guys can just about make these. So yeah, this is very white, and as you can see, camera is not picking up well, but you guys know how these look. All white 350s, great one for the summer. And as I mentioned, I got 2 pairs of these, so I am happy. This is one that I am gonna hold and possibly, you know, flip later on. Maybe next year or later on in the year, because again, prices have gone down on these because everyone is trying to undercut each other, which is not a good look. So yeah, that's so far 6 shoes. And yeah, the final one is probably, I'll say, my best purchase. It's good to have these shoes again. I mean, you guys know what this is, the infamous and the fan fave. Again, I'm gonna have to put the brightness down because this is just too bright. And yeah, this is just an iconic classic colorway. I feel like everyone has this shoe by now, and if you haven't got it by now, then I just don't know what to do. Again, it was funny because when these originally released, I think it was 2017, they were going for a lot. They were going for a lot of P's, and now it's just kind of dropped down a little bit. It's still probably right now probably gonna be my most profitable thing, actually, apart from the black 350, the triple black 350s. This is probably gonna be the next most profitable one. But who knows, I might keep it. It is my size as well. But as you can see, Yeezy Day was very successful for me. I picked up 6 pairs of shoes, and I cannot complain, especially in comparison to Sneakers Day, which had a lot of hype. I don't know whether that came from Nike directly or just from, you know, blogs trying to anticipate what Nike were gonna do. But yeah, it was very underwhelming. Shout out Yeezy, shout out Kanye. Kanye said he was gonna see, he envisions everyone wearing a pair of Yeezys, and he's actually making it happen. Yeah, let me know what you guys picked up from Yeezy Day. If you were able to pick up the lightnings from Sneakers Day, or if you picked up that trash that they gave us, the Hirachi and that Builder One Low with the cheetah leopard print, whatever that is. If you picked it up, let me know as well. I'm interested to see what you guys grab. But yeah, without anything else to say, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Smash the like and stay tuned for the next one.